In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on a social media platform effectively. Whether you're looking to curate your social media experience for privacy reasons or simply want to maintain a comfortable online environment, knowing how to block someone can be a useful skill. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you understand every step along the way. First, you'll want to navigate to the user's profile. This is the starting point for any action you wish to take regarding other accounts. You can usually do this by clicking on their username or searching for them in the search bar. Once you're on their profile page, you'll notice it's a lot like having an overview of all their content, interactions, and presence on this platform. Next, look for a menu that typically consists of 3 dots, possibly located at the top right corner of the profile page, or alternatively a button labeled Report. This menu gives you a variety of options concerning how you can interact with or manage your experience with this account. The 3 dots symbolize more actions or options, so don't worry if you don't see the word report outright. Just clicking those dots can lead you to the right place. Once you have opened that menu, look for an option that says block this user. This option is usually listed among other account management actions, such as reporting or muting the user. Blocking effectively means their activity will no longer appear on your feed and they won't be able to interact with you, bringing a layer of control and peace to your online interactions. After you've selected the Block This User option, the platform will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. This is just the system's way of ensuring that you absolutely want to proceed with blocking the user. It might state something like, "Are you sure you want to block this user?" Here you'll notice there are usually reasons given or shown to explain what blocking entails. This helps to avoid accidentally blocking someone without understanding the full implications. Once you're sure of your decision, you simply have to confirm. Clicking confirm or yes solidifies your choice and the platform will take care of the rest. This process ensures that you have greater control over who can see your posts and interact with you. Remember, this decision is not etched in stone. You can always choose to unblock the user at a later time if the need arises. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked a user, helping to craft your social media experience to better suit your needs and comfort. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.